My name is James Carpenter, Country Living. Thank you for taking time to watch my video. Today we've got a little project on with these doors up here. They warped a little bit, so we're seeing if we can fix that. And we're going to add a couple hinges. So let me show you what I'm talking about. You can see how that door sticks out at the bottom. And there's two hinges. We're going to add a third hinge. But first we're going to go upstairs and put a piece of angle iron on there to draw that door back together at the bottom. Alright, so this is the angle iron. I took the time to pre-drill the holes. And I'm going to put these 3-inch deck screws through the hole in the metal and into the wood of the door. I'll start the other one. Ooh, I got my rope in here. I guess it'll be all right. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's go on the outside and see what it looks like. Okay, that's what it looks like now. It pulled it in pretty good. So let me get up here on the scaffolding and we'll start changing or adding 2 more hinges. I laid this out from the center of this hinge to the center of this hinge. There's 28 inches difference, so I'm going to add the middle hinge at 28 inches. Okay, let me come down off the scaffolding and we'll take a look at this from a distance. Okay, here's what it looks like from a distance. We've got 6 hinges on there now for those heavy doors. Those are 3.5 inch thick pressure treated doors. Those hinges are pretty heavy duty, so I'm pretty confident that we're going to be all right with those. And then that big gap I showed you earlier down here, that piece of angle iron pulled that together. Hopefully that wood will continue to dry and possibly stay in that position when it's all said and done. If not, I'll leave the angle iron on there because I don't intend on using this door but maybe once every 3 or 4 years. But I can swing both doors open and use the forks on the Kubota and lift skids and put them up in there so I can store stuff. I want to thank you for taking time to watch my video and enjoy your weekend.